going hat forward today. Going hat forward today. Going hat forward today. No. Taking no prisoners, baby. YouTube stream just started, guys. If you're waiting for YouTube, it's literally just starting. Like right now. Like this second. Like right now it's starting. Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Thank you all for being here. Hope you all had a good night's sleep, a blessed morning, and I am ready to catch a bag with y'all today. So let's get to the money. Let's get to the money. Let's get to the money, team ball. Are you guys here? Oh, yes. I'll share my screen too. Well, 3 screen shares. All right. What are you watching today, GD?
Right now, I'm looking for this pre-market low to break and the retest, looking for some shorts. Just because of how high this pre-market high is, I'd rather us trade lower than trade into levels that we formed yesterday. So hopefully we break out this pre-market low, but if not, then I'll have to wait. Just wait until we break out of this range.
I like it. Look at the picture I'm posting in Discord.
There you go.
The good old Nate mug. Oh yes, I still drink coffee out of it, bro. To this day, I still sip out of it. To this day. All right, where's our pre-market low? 583. Yeah, 583. We're cold. Damn, Greg, they really did you dirty there.
It's okay. It's okay. What's that green trade? It's okay. 556 approach. So who's making money or who made money making shorts?
Think about my system, so I bulletproof the SUV to AP on my wrist. Some bats like an LED. Appreciate y'all being here. Wow, what? We'll look away for 2 seconds and we just die. All right, let's see. What do you like today, Mr. Gene? Oh, you don't trade till 10 Eastern time, huh? Yeah, Gene literally locks himself out of his account. Like, put a lock on it till 10 a.m. Eastern time. Like, he literally just won't trade. Then he's not in a rush. He's just chilling. Just get to hang out with Jdun. Catch some vibes. Not catching trades the first 30 minutes, but we are catching vibes. That is for sure. That is confirmed. Bro has his own. Yeah, Gene has his own market open, guys. Gene makes his own market hours. Gene makes his own market hours. So it's called being. Yep, it's called being a trader. I mean, you make your schedule. It is true. It's very true. All right, guys, let's get the YouTube chat pulled up. Let's get the YouTube chat pulled up. What's up, Chris? Oh my gosh, yeah, it's definitely not power hour. There we go. There we go. Thank you for the heads up on the title. I appreciate that very much. I hadn't had my coffee yet. That's my excuse. And we got the vibes in here, baby. We're going to catch a winning trade, catch some vibes, move on with our day. Appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, make sure you guys tap in. If you're on TikTok, hit that follow button. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. I trade live here every single morning. I'd love for this to become a part of your daily routine. Trade smart, trade safe. Let's catch ourselves a winner, get you funded, and get you paid out. Oh, whoops. I don't want that. I also have to change this. I got to change this to ES. I got NQ on here still. There we go. Where's this low? Where is this low? We do need coffee to have a green trade. That is facts. There is truth to that, bro. There is truth to that. I don't like trading if I haven't had my coffee. I don't like trading unless I've had my coffee. That is facts. That is factual. It was me that had NASDAQ up twice. I just changed it. My bad. That was not GD. That was me. That was indeed me. Got me signing deeds. Call it what you want. It might be a drug addiction. If my coffee classifies as a drug addiction, which technically speaking it could, because coffee or caffeine is a drug. Yes, I am very addicted to the drugs of coffee. Yeah, I'm a coffee head. I'm a crackhead. What are you looking for?
It's 6679.5 area. Well, NQ and ES are the balance, so I'm watching it.
Oof.
Touched it on ES while I was watching. See if we can get some confirmation.
Let's get it. Getting close. Getting close, my friend. Getting close. Getting close. Oh, you already know. If the Lambo hat's forward, we're locked in. I take trades live every single day. Yep. Every single day, bro. Let's get the YouTube poll up. Bearish down. Which way we heading? As a reminder too, guys, if you guys haven't already, make sure you are signed up for my 3-day free webinar. Grizzly's long, guys. Grizzly's long on NQ. Grizzly in the longs. Grizzly in the longs. Grizzly in the longs.
It bounced so quick. Sorry for everyone that get in down there. We might get another chance.
You did get another chance. Grizzly tried the longs, guys. I was saying make sure that you guys are all signed up for my 3-day free webinar. It's going to be a game changer on October 6th. Discipline over dopamine, 3 days to consistent trading. That is the last frontier in what you will need to get more confidence in your trading and finally find the answers that you've been looking for every day. If you struggle with staying consistent, if you struggle with tilt, if you struggle with patience, if you struggle with strategy, all those things I'm going to go over live in real time, October 6th, 7th, and 8th. I'm not long. I don't trade the first 15 minutes, but Grizzly tried longs. Grizzly tried the longs. The longs, the longs, the longs. I did not try the longs. Got the playlist. What's your stop, Grizzly? Hope it just prints for you, bro.
This is the only area I like for that's a work for this. I keep like a hard stop at 20 points. Ideally, we get close to that. There we go. Shows us we had to ride it here. This stuff is that. So I don't think we can hold this. We can fix those if we bring it.
Oh yeah. Hopefully you can get a pop up to pre-market low again. Like that 580, that'd be nice. That would be real nice. Nice job, Mr. Glock. Grizzly is trimming, guys. Grizzly's trimming up here at 70. Grizzly is trimming, just so you guys are aware, anyone who's trading with him. Don't. We got 1 minute till, or 30 seconds till the 15-minute range is in. Let's go ahead and get that marked out. Let's go ahead and get that marked out. Be surprised. Sushi can be pretty expensive, bro. I know. We'll run up a check, bro. For real. Look at this incredibly handsome man. Oh, well, thank you, Tyler. You are very kind. 3-day free masterclass. I'm gonna pin this comment. A lot of y'all keep asking. Trade's over for him, guys. I was really hoping we go up and test that midline or pre-market low. Here we go. Okay. We're talking some. We ain't talking no sushi den. We're talking some Okinawa. Okinawa still good. Some gas station sushi. Some King Super sushi. Some Kroger sushi. I'm guilty of it too. I've definitely tried it too. Back when I used to have dairy, I don't really eat cream cheese no more, but those are the only rolls you should be eating. The only rolls you should be eating have cream cheese, and the only pizza you should be eating has cream cheese on it as well. Gene, what is wrong with you? How can you hate on pineapple cream cheese pizza, bro? How? How?
Disgusting.
How? You shut up, GD. No one asked you. Why are all of a sudden dogging me? What? Just mind your own business and let me eat my pineapple and cream cheese pizza in peace. Bro, all y'all dogging it. No one's even tried it. Literally, there's nothing like it. I'm telling you right now, get some big globs. I'm not talking a little cream cheese. I'm talking big old globs. I want some golf balls on there. I want some damn golf balls on that puppy. Put them on. Slap them on. With pizza sauce. Yep, totally. You know what? I really only eat carnivore during the week, but I swear we had a nice trade today. I'm going to go find the nearest place with some gluten-free pizza. I'm slapping so much cream cheese on that baby. I'm going to go on Power Hour and eat it on stream. That's what's going to happen. I'll just have to show y'all in real time how we rock. I'd be down with some jalapenos on there too. Some jalapenos. Just without I want the non-spicy jalapenos though. Jalapenos.
Man, I've been eating it's like a healthy taco boba. It's got the jalapenos in it. It's so good.
What do you guys say like that?
What do we do, Gene?
What do you guys say it like that?
Gene says we say jalapeno weird.
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno. Jalapeno business. Jalapeno business. Oh, it's great. It's great. Hey, welcome, Angel. Welcome to the stream. Everyone who's new, welcome in. Make sure if you're on TikTok, you hit that follow button in the top left corner. I trade live every single day, give out my exact trades. Win, lose, or draw. And TikTok, of course, or YouTube, excuse me, hit that subscribe button. I'm here live every day, and we have full screen share. Oh, whoops. Yep, it's looking like a good reversal candle. It is. Still 675.
We also have some data and stuff.
What data do we have today?
We have business inventories and $1 confidence index, which I don't know if that's really going to move the market much, but just doing that. For that drop right after anything. This I get like a perfect setup.
Crazy, yes, and then my volume.
This is a setup I typically like. If we would have had a closure below the orb, then a reversal with higher volume, I typically like a setup where you try longs.
I like the way it looks. It's just slide right back off.
That's typically a setup that I really like. Not today.
But that hurts a lot of people.
I was looking for them shorts, man. All I needed was a little more higher than like that to be touched.
It's right up to Asia level here.
I don't really use Asia levels for reference. Do you?
I just keep them up. I got them on my.
Yeah. I don't really use them a ton. Let's see if we can get a nice 5-minute confirmation here. We also have FOMC tomorrow as well, so I'm likely to risk off going into FOMC, the biggest one of the year, in my opinion. It's going to set the tone not only for our current rates, likely cut by 25 basis points, but also we're going to set the tone for if we're going to get any more cuts this year. So his tone is going to be very, very important come tomorrow.
Big day for sure.
Yep, it should be really good.
FOMC Max should be worth trading.
FOMC what?
I said Max should be worth trading tomorrow.
Yeah.
We haven't had a decent one in a minute.
Let's see if we get some sort of closure here. Tesla's showing some relative strength too. That might be worth a watch. With the NASDAQ following, Tesla's looking at getting over its opening print. So we'll see if that gives us any buys. I think officially September 19th. Mid-sky. I will be streaming FOMC as well. Yep. We will be streaming FOMC as well. I'm not looking at anything right now. I mean, I prefer it with the trend right now, shorts, but I'm just being extra cautious. I want to see an A+ setup.
Jdun, before we bounce this down, me too, is right after the extra low.
Was it?
There was definitely some low.
Mr. Gene, your market's about to open.
Yeah.
You know what might give us a decent setup is this Tesla. We'll see if it closes in 20 seconds above the fifth or above our first 5-minute high. But Tesla's looking decent with its volume for longs too. Looking decent. Yeah, we're growing. We're getting bigger. Our streams are getting bigger every day. On Inside Team Bowl, that's our biggest stream. And then, of course, on YouTube and TikTok as well. I always appreciate you guys. You guys coming in here every day. It means the world. All right, let's see if we can get a pop back up for shorts. Let's see if we can get this pop back up. Let's see if we can get this pop back up for shorts. What's this? 553, 571. I have two watches. I'm watching for shorts on NQ if we get the confirmation I want to see. And I'm watching for longs on Tesla. Showing relative strength on Tesla. That looks decent. Let's see NQ if they give us this. If we get this pop back up to 550 area on NQ, I'll watch for the shorts with stops above like 570. I mean, I appreciate it, but bro, you come in here and call me cute every day. What am I supposed to do with that? Thank you. Thanks, bro. All I'm looking for right now is shorts, guys. I wanted a meaningful retest back up. Yeah, I like the shorts in the 550 area too. We do have data in 3 minutes, so just beware. Beware of data here in a few minutes. In 3 minutes. 2 minutes. The rehab, and I started questioning my existence. And we have FOMC tomorrow too, so. I blew my funded account. Can you get me another challenge I can't afford? Well, then that wouldn't teach you anything. What teaches you things in life and trading are hardships, pain. Now you know what happens when you break your rules. So let that pain sit, act on it, build from it, and don't do it again. Pain is the greatest teacher in life and trading. I fully believe that. Maybe I'm ruthless for saying that, but I find it to be true. I'm always going to be honest with you. Even if you don't like my answer, I'll be honest with you. I hate when that happens, bro.
But it's been happening so often. Like the levels hit at the most unopportune times.
I like the shorts up here. We just have data in 30 seconds. Which is just it's a very unfortunate situation. I just won't, when we have data in a minute or two, I just typically won't put on any risk. If it works out, you're like, oh, this is amazing. But if you get cooked immediately,
I hate that guy that took that.
it's low here, 23.
Does anybody like the 24 550 for short? 553?
I'm looking around.
I do a lot.
137.
Let me know if you all take it. I'll try some with you.
Trying a small piece of shorts, guys. I started a small piece of shorts. I tried a piece of shorts up there. Tried the shorts.
Jesus, that's sold out fast. I was trying to get in with you. I
Yeah, it was fast, but started it with hard stops at 70. I still like this area. I still like it right here. If we break above 70, I will take my loss. And I'm trading with less size today. So I'd like to see your best ad area is like 50-ish, but I did start it. I'd like to see a flush to low a day.
I got filled trying to get it at 537, 538.
My stops are actually at 65, 50. I call it 66. I have hard stops in at 66, guys. It's up about 10 points right now if you got that sniper entry. I'd like to see low a day. I'd like to see low a day out of this short. Come on. Rip down. Rip down. No. Wrong way, 1 minute candle. Well, even if the setup loses now, we'll know that we had the right idea. It tried to go down, went down at its most like 15 points. And I'm still going to keep my planned stop. I'll stop at 66. 66, I'll stop out for a loss. I didn't take anything off on that move down. I didn't trim it all. I want to see low day. Started down. Come on, give us a low day. Don't let that doji be a reversal. Don't let it happen, NQ. Come on. We'll see. 1 minute looks all right. 5 minute looks. I don't love two dojis right there. That's not ideal. It's not horrible, but it's not great. Yeah, there's a lot of fight in here. That's showing exactly. So I'm going to keep my plan stop at 66. If we hit 24, 5, 6, 6, I will be out. I will trim if we get a move below 23, below low a day. That first move down wasn't quite enough for me to take anything off. It was green, but not green enough. It was light green. We want that team bull dark green, baby. It's thinking about it. It's not entirely sure what it wants to do yet. It's having a mid-trade crisis. Those two dojis are not. I don't love those. Shows some fight with these buyers down here, but the setup's still valid for me. Back at entry area now, everybody. Back at entry stops at 66. I just realized I don't even have my book map up. Need to get my order flow up. This is the best area up here on this 50. I mean, as far as risk goes, you only have like 15 points of risk. Oh, that looks, if we can hold this candle down, that looks great. Don't buy it back up. Don't do it. Still fried. Going to buy. Going to Malo. Oh. We got 3 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. If we close the 5 minute above this 15-minute low, I'll likely stop it early. Yeah, I mean, could have trimmed on the way down. I just wasn't enough for me from a risk reward perspective. I'm already trading light, so I need a bigger move. Already trading light, so I need myself a bigger move. Oh, don't do it. Don't stop me at 66. Don't do it. Don't be fouling, Q. Don't do it. Sunset. Yeah, me too. Setup's still valid until we break above 66, or if you want a few more points of risk above 70. If we break above that, setup's no longer valid. This was the main ad area I was watching too for shorts.
Probably just have the same numbers as you now. Got a horrible feeling that first one.
Got FOMC tomorrow, so.
Push down. Yes, so no. You go with it.
These sellers need to grow a pair. Well, if you end up taking this better entry up here, just make sure your stops are above 66. There we go. No, wrong way. Looks like we got a nice bear flag forming too. Not the biggest flag trader, but can't deny it. Looks like we got one forming. And feel free to manage. Both your entries now should be green. Feel free to manage how you see fit. Push it down, baby. Come on. That 50 area was money bags so far. Come on. It's not quite the risk reward I want, but I'm gonna take a tiny bit off here, guys. So I don't love it pre FOMC. We could get some chop. I'd like to see below 23 for my main profit target, but I did take a little off down here. With that better ad area, there's only, there we go. Come on, keep moving down. Give us low a day. Give us low a day, baby. Give us low a day. Give us low a day. Come on. Come on. Give us low a day. Yeah! Taking some off, guys. Taking some off. Trim. Runners to break even. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Come on. Come on. Push down. Push down. Come on. All right, guys. My stops are now at break even. Everybody. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. I'd like to get more out of this, guys. To be completely honest with you, my stops are at break even. I'd like to get more if this candle doesn't stop us out here. If it stops us out, then we're going to get no more. But come on. Come on, let this be the lower high. I got my profit target, though. My price target got hit. Come on. We'll take it, baby. We'll take it. If you got that better out area, that was money bags. That was awesome. That was awesome. All right, guys. Stop short break even.
There's no way you asked bounced off 6666.
Team Bull, there's a lot of negativity and bad in the world. But not today, baby. If you guys made some money on that, let me know in the chat. How much y'all pay yourselves this morning pre-FOMC day? Let me know in the chat. What are we cooking up today? Give me some numbers. What are we cooking up today, Team Bull? How much we up? 350, 1K, 400, 650 times 3, 720 plus. Oh my gosh, 20 racks, 84, 7,100. Let's go, 550, 400. 50K live, 400, 1K, 260 up, 1,400. Let's go. And we're still in. Stops at break even. Unless you're break even hit, then you're out. Come on, baby. Good vibes only. Vibrations are high. All right, guys, I'm out of this trade. 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 I'm out of the trade. I'm out of the trade. Is it? Okay, there we go. We'll take it. Way back from the north in Christiania.
I'm surprised we bounced that one spot. Thought we would at least get down towards yesterday's low.
I thought so too, bro. But, oh well. I'll take it.
Everyone's disappointed. 45-minute workday.
Very disappointed. No sushi is sushi man. A steak. Topics. Pineapple based.
Christine.
I like the pizza that got the tomatoes in
Uh-oh. I told y'all what was happening if we had a winning trade.
What's happening?
Oh, I don't think you want to know what's happening, bro. It involves putting your glasses on, putting a nice ASMR headset on, and watching and listening to me indulge in some pineapple and cream cheese pizza. That's what it involves, bro. I'm gonna ASM. Gene's gonna record it. Oh, yeah, y'all are gonna get the full ASMR. Chomp, chomp, chomp. That's what's going down. That is exactly what's going down. What's up, Mr. Gene? Any trades? No? Wait, yeah, no, or like, yeah, yeah? He's like, yeah. I'm like, what do you mean, yeah? The streets and the talk and the sun. It's the stress and the biggies.
Looking about 567. Before 567, possible short trade if price action is.
We'll take what we get. We'll take it for the day. We'll take it for the day. We'll take it for the day.
You make a bag off that, Jdun?
Oh, I did all right. I was de-risked, so not crazy, but all right. I'm ready for FOMC to come and just give us some bags.
Trade FOMC.
Yeah, come on. Let's go, Grizzly. Let's go, Grizzly.
Rip some SPX options. So runs Meredith is gonna take my side by side and drop it off to the shop.
You like having a side by side?
I mean, it's alright. Honestly, West is the money. It costs like 35K to buy. I use it like 7 times. It's fun when you get to use it. You appreciate it very fast. Whatever you put into them is as soon as you take it out,
It's just
a lot, it goes down.
it's just gone. What do you mean I was watching? We literally called a banger on those shorts earlier. Very clear, multiple times. Very clearly. As a reminder, guys, if you want to learn how to be a disciplined and confident trader yourself, make sure you're signed up for my 3-day free masterclass. It's going to go over everything that you need to know to completely transform your trading in 3 days. If you're on YouTube, it's in my pinned comment. If you guys can't click it now, or if you're on TikTok, make sure you guys DM me on Instagram for access. JDUN Trades. JDUN Trades on Instagram. You can DM me and mention that you're from the live stream and you'd like access to the 3-day free masterclass. Five green days in a row and made 420 today and secured another payout. Let's go. That's awesome, bro. And the trend's still technically down. We'll see how this 5-minute candle closes. Appreciate you, bro. Jdun is from the trenches. He's more like us than a lot of people think. People don't know, man. Came from a single mom, dad in prison, then shot and killed. Like, I got it out the mud just like a lot of y'all are trying to do, you know? No trust fund here. No handouts here. Nothing given here. So, yes, I like helping y'all win. Obviously, I appreciate y'all supporting me as well. If you guys are trading with prop firms, you can use code JDUN for the best possible discount. And as always, I will do my absolute best to help you get funded, paid out, and on your own profitable journey of trading as well. So, Tom, I have my Glock with me. 27. Hey, bought a 150K eval with code JDUN. Appreciate you, bro. More than you know. The Omaha trenches. I was from the Lincoln trenches, bro. But I respect Omaha, man. Shout out Terrence Crawford. Everyone said that Canelo was going to win. Even this man, Gene over here, I said, y'all are tripping. My boy Crawford ain't losing. I said, get out of here. And Crawford came and spanked that booty. Woo! Representing Omaha, the 402. I mean, Crawford put in that work, my bro. Yeah, Omaha. Yes, sir. Omaha. It's crazy. I didn't realize that Canelo was like a legend down in Mexico. Like they love that man. That's what you were saying, huh, Gene? Canelo. Mr. Canelo. Hey, man, Crawford's a different breed, bro. You don't lose. Literally undefeated. Yes, sir. Yeah, Crawford is the biggest athlete ever to come out of Nebraska, for sure. That's why we all band behind him. Rocking Omaha on the shorts, too. I'm from Lincoln originally. Dun, 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 dun. Damn, Trump announces there's a buyer for TikTok. I don't know if it's true or not. I haven't looked into it, but that's crazy if so. Grizzly, are you buying TikTok? Be honest.
Oh yeah.
Grizzly's buying him some TikTok. Well, who's Josh? Shoot. Hey. Team Bull's going to buy TikTok. I'm going to put trading and our winning trades on everyone's For You page. Say, I'm tired of y'all losing your trades. Come trade with me and change it. That's what's happening. So, dog.
Quarterly taxes and
You what?
president.
When are you paying quarterly taxes? When did you say you were paying quarterly taxes?
Right now, today,
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm paying mine at the end of the month.
get it done. I pay the set amount every quarter.
Never hurts any less, bro. Never hurts any less. If I told y'all how much I paid in taxes, it would make you sick. It would actually, some of y'all would probably need to grab some Kleenexes because you're going to start crying and some Clorox wipes because you'll probably puke all over your desk. You don't even want to know, bro. Just trust me. You just don't want to know. You just don't want to know, bro. Unfortunately, unlike a lot of these influencers, I actually do make a good amount of money. And it comes with paying a lot of taxes, even with a good accountant. A six-figure, bro. I paid over $7 million in taxes. Let that sink in, bro. Let that sink in, bro. Horrible. Ugh. Ugh. Get anxiety just saying that, dude. Ugh. Horrible. And then even more after this year. And what do we get? Oh yeah, that's right. We get nothing. We get no health care. That's right. Oh yeah, we fund everyone's government in the world but ours. Yep. That's great. Just horrible. Why not move to Puerto Rico? Because I like because I like being next to my family and friends, man. See you, GD. Yeah, potholes in the road. I just here's the thing about Puerto Rico too, guys, is that here's the thing about Puerto Rico is it's a 3-year commitment, guys. That's what you guys got to realize, and you have to pass the connections test. I don't want to move to Puerto Rico. I mean, Dorado Beach is beautiful, but I don't really want to move there right now. What you guys got to understand is that when you make a ton of money, there's only so much you can do unless you buy a bunch of commercial real estate, which I don't really want to buy a bunch of commercial real estate. Move to Kenya? I've heard of a lot of tax havens. I've never heard of Kenya being a tax haven. I'm sure it's a beautiful place, but I'm probably going to pass you up on that, my bro. I still like shorts, but I mean, that's all I really see is shorts. Yep. Pretty much it. I'm just kind of watching, hanging. I'd love to go on an African safari someday, bro. Like, I want to go on one of those real safaris and go see some zebra. See some zebras and stuff. Do that? You have to take a bunch? Yeah. My sister had to. She went on a mission trip to Peru. Yeah, and she had to get some stuff. I want to go see a lion. So funny about that, Gene. I want to go see a lion, bro. No mames.
No mames. I love that guy. I love that guy.
No, not last year, Thomas. Over time. Not last year. Over my course of my entrepreneurship and trading journey. You know what's kind of, well, I wouldn't say funny, Grizzly, but it's some truth. There's one thing in a world of just absolute political divide, people mad at each other and divided. There's at least one thing we can all come together on, and that's the fact that insurance companies are an absolute racket. No matter what side of the political aisle you're on, just know insurance companies, massive scam. Horrible. Absolutely horrible, bro.
I feel like I'm getting scammed every time I buy a new vehicle. They're working the best they can. I'm not hating.
Absolute racket, bro. Absolute racket. There's like it don't matter who you're voting for, bro. It don't matter. We can always know that insurance companies are an absolute scam. Horrible. Who's calling me? Who is calling me during trading hours? Not interested. Insurance is great job security. So I have a question, Team Bulls. I don't know a lot about this subject, and we might have some some salesmen in here, but something I'm not educated on, but I'd love to get some opinions on is life insurance a scam? So it kind of seems a little scammy to me, but some people are like, it's great. See, there's the yeses and the nos. Why is it not a scam? Tell me why it's not a scam. It's an investment vehicle. Tell me why. I'm open to both sides of the argument. Gene says what you do is open a policy, then fake your death. Well, I mean, that's one way to do things. That, something. Move to Mexico, fake your death, and cash in a check. That's what Gene says to do. Okay, so there's whole life and there's a term. I get like protecting your family and having a backup plan. I don't know enough about it to make an educated statement. I know that health insurance is a full scam. Completely, bro. They'll deny anything they can.
Still don't have health insurance. I think it's over that.
I have a disaster, or not a disaster, but like it's a policy that in case anything really bad ever happened, it would cover me.
Yeah, I mean, like the regular stuff.
Yeah, I also got it for my kid too, just because kid stuff can be very expensive. God forbid, something ever happened.
Yeah, I know that. I mean, with the other stuff, with the visits and stuff. Think you're gonna make those, eh?
I hope so. You out of here, bro?
Yeah, I gotta take it to the shop. I'll catch you all in the morning.
500 on the day.
Nice, Gene. 500 on the day.
I was down.
Oh, here's the end of the.
That was pretty emotional day.
I could tell.
I was down 300. Which ain't bad, but.
Got it back.
Yeah, I was holding those shorts, dude. I stopped myself out at the top.
One minute gap. Interesting. Hmm. All right. Well, I guess we're just on the free live streams now. Grizzly ended the Team Bowl live. This looks like it wants more lows, everybody. We'll see. DM'd on IG. What do you say, Gene?
Okay, let's me lock myself up.
Log it out. Log it out. Log it out. Log it out. I like September trading. Savage is long ES. We'll see how that plays out. I mean, August is traditionally pretty slow, but this August wasn't so bad. It wasn't so bad. This August was not horrible in comparison. There's a lot of fund managers that take breaks in August. So in summertime. So traditionally summertime is a bit lower volume. Got me not knowing how to act. This market doesn't know what it wants to do. Is October statistically the best? I mean, what do you mean by the best? Not entirely sure what you mean by that. Like returns to the upside, returns to the downside. Do you trade better long, short? You know, those are all things that you have to take into consideration. All things you have to take into consideration. As a reminder too, guys, if you'd like access to my 3-day free masterclass, I'm hosting it October 6th. Make sure you guys tap in. If you're on YouTube, the link's in the pinned comment. All you have to do is go register, save your seat, and you will have access on October 6th to the free masterclass. If you're on TikTok, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the 3-day free masterclass. Half grain crooks. Survival of the fittest, only the strong survive. Don't. Let's see if these longs end up paying out. See if we can get a reversal. We're holding that 530 pretty strong. We'll see. Savage is long and Team Bull too. Up 250 so far. I'm out. Jade, Team Bull prints every day. Appreciate you, bro. See if Savage's longs end up paying out. We might see some FOMC chop. We'll see. Got my food about my millions. What are we at? Asia. We're at those Asia lows. We're holding Asia lows very well. See if that ends up being the low spot. May I ask what you're looking for before entrance? Well, we caught shorts earlier, but caught shorts earlier. Now I'm just staying patient. I got about maybe 20 more minutes. Maybe. Got a feeling. I don't care about my feeling, about a feeling, about my millions. 1,200 on the day. $1,200. Looking at this 5-minute chart too, it's not saying a ton. I mean, potentially this is another lower high for us to go lower, but we're holding this Asia low, this 530 really, really well. So don't. It may chop till tomorrow too, guys. We have FOMC tomorrow. The Lambo's okay, guys. Thank you for asking. The Lambo is living on. Green is my favorite color. I love the color green. You talking? Getting the Urus, I loved my Urus, man. Loved my Urus. The car was great. That car was great, bro. Am I looking short or long? I mean, right now the 5 minute looks indecisive. I don't think you're going to find any good setup either way right now. Not enough, bro. Gotta put some damn size on. I've been really thinking about going back to trading more options too. I've been watching Tesla. I've been watching QQQ and SPY every day. This is actually looking like, maybe we will. If we look at the screen share here, if we end up breaking this structure to the upside, we could get a nice move to the upside here. We built this base, no closes below 530. If you're on YouTube, you can see it. If we end up getting a strong candle with strong volume here above this, we maybe see a target of like 580.
Oh, look at Oracle.
Oracle?
Yeah, OR stuff.
What about it?
Hidden move.
Oh, overnight?
Yeah.
It's thinking about moving up. It's thinking about it. I'm not trading against the trend. I'm just calling what I see. Just calling what I see, baby. Let's see with the lower volume. Nope, no close above. So I made like 10K with 1 year call options. That's awesome. So that's why you always want to make sure you get the candle close above with higher volume. See if this ends up making another lower high. Or a lower high. That's the right term. Confused myself for a second. Every time I come on TikTok, I have like 10 Jduns follow me. I know they're ruthless, bro. They're ruthless. The fake Jduns are ruthless, bro. Pasture funded today. Let's go. I just saw the video with the server last week, and I just found out that was you. Yup. That's me. That's hilarious. Don't redeem the gift card. Please. Please. Very naughty boy. Don't redeem, please. I have more Jduns following me than pounds in my bank. There's a lot of fake Jduns. And unfortunately, they make a lot of money off scamming people. Please never send fake me's money. Please don't send anyone money over the internet. If you're going to buy something, make sure it's through a verified processor where you are protected. Let's show it. Want a little kiss? There you go. That one's free. The next one's going to cost you, my bro. You guys crack me up for real. Y'all crack me up for real, bro. Jdun, place a massive trade to make this market move. I'm trying to get it to move, bro. We're bouncing this 30 again. This has been our support. This has been the support. We might get 500. This area has been really strong. We finally got to close below, so we'll see. See if we get more movement. Jdun, you still in Colorado? Why not Miami? Because my family's in Nebraska, bro. That's why. It's close. Because my family's in Nebraska, bro. I have a place in Wyoming. So if your family is in India, I love Colorado. Yo, Carrie, I seen you commented on my post earlier, and I just want to say I'm glad you took the time to go look at what I sent you. I want everyone to be able to engage in open dialogue, no matter what your political side is. I just think that above all else, we're not talking politics here, but you love or hate Charlie Kirk. He gave people a platform to speak and give opposing viewpoints, just like, Dean Withers does on TikTok. I don't agree with what Dean says, but I respect him that he gives people a platform, He's very smart, just like Charlie was very smart. They do the same thing, just opposite sides. Do I agree with a lot that Dean says? No, but do I think he's smart and he has a right to his platform? Absolutely. Totally. I'll go listen to him. I like learning from different angles. Because people just read too many headlines. They don't go listen to people. People do the same things and say the same things about Dean and things that he says. I'm like, well, I don't agree with anything he says hardly, but I'll still go listen to him, Anywho, I think that people are quick to read headlines and not quick to go and, listen to context and listen to full arguments on either side. We have a very quick to judgment society on both sides. I haven't seen anything about that, Guy. All I'm saying is that, people like Parker or Dean and them that do similar style things and they're on the opposite side, I still respect them and listen to them because there's always something for me to learn. I always just want to learn. I want to hear the full context of things. Just like with trading, I want to learn. Even if someone has a different strategy than me. So, anywho. We don't choose dopamine. We choose discipline over dopamine. Yeah, I like to think for myself too on both sides, Don't let your discipline go out the window, bro. This is what I wanted to see. So whenever you're looking for a reversal, guys, that's why you always want to see, your volume confirm and your price confirm. Oh, this is too high. Now the question is, do we get a retest back up at this 530 and then continue down? That's what I would look for now. As a reminder too, guys, if you haven't registered for my 3-day free masterclass, who's registered? Who has registered? Let me know in the chat. Who has registered and will be there on October 6th, 7th, and 8th? Also, you will get the recording if you can't make it live, though I highly recommend you make it live. It's free. 100% free. It costs $0.00. If you haven't registered, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades, JDUN Trades, on Instagram, and mention that you're from the live stream and you'd like access to the 3-day free event. If you're on YouTube, you can click the pinned link, or it's in my description, and you can register there. I got you. I promise you it will be of value. If you're curious, I always like to say this. If you're like, I know it's free, but my time's really valuable. Am I going to get value? I encourage you to go watch my previous webinars. Here, I'll pin one of them, or I'll post one of them in chat. If you go to my orb strategy videos, my really popular ones on YouTube, go watch that for an hour and come back and tell me you didn't get an hour's worth of your value. Whatever you work for an hour, how about this? Whatever you work for an hour, I guarantee you will get 5x that value in the hour you spend watching my orb video, or in the few hours you spend watching my free webinar on October 6th. I guarantee you will get value. I don't make promises I can't keep. I don't promise it's going to make you profitable. I don't promise it's going to, be the light bulb that makes you make money every day, but I do promise you will take a step forward in your trading and you will get value. Your time will be well spent. I was in the mastermind and still looking forward to this free one because he always gives so much value. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you, bro. It means a lot, young Lord Dagger. How do you know when to buy? It's all systemization, guys. Yeah, Carrie, and if worst case scenario, just get signed up. And if you can't make it, you'll get the recording. You'll get the recording. All right, we got not too much longer. I'm going to leave in about 7 minutes. Gene, you want to come say hi to everybody? I gotta use the restroom. All right, Gene's gonna come say hi. Discord Grizzly closed it, so you're just talking to the live stream.
What's up, guys? Hello, hello, hello. What's up, Joshua? Fun fact, I actually had a where's the chart? I actually had a demand zone down here. We hit it to a T and we started pumping up, but I locked myself out of the account. Thanks. I've been trying to switch up what I wear every day. Different colors. Yeah, I took a short from, let me see. It was from up here to down here. I made 500 on each account that I got, so 1,500, and I'm up 2,700 on the week across all my fundeds. So, yep, gonna keep stacking the wins, and I think I'm gonna request on Friday if I could. I think I only need like, 1,500 each more account or so. 1,500, maybe 2,500. And no spoilers, but it can potentially be over 5K. Yeah, now we're starting to push back up.
Are we?
Yep.
You're dumb, bro.
Give me a
You
dollar.
see this I found in my I found in the
What is
drawer?
that?
A half stick. Dynamite. This is legit dynamite. Oh, wrong. I didn't say anything, never mind.
Or miners. Minecraft.
What? I'm TNT. I'm dynamite. Bro. Loud.
What would happen if I set it off in here?
It would literally it would literally blow a hole in the floor.
Would it break the window?
Yes. Windows would be shattered immediately, everything but one. All
Really?
to-
That's how loud they are? Come on. I gotta watch a video.
Yeah, bro. I'm from Nebraska. Of course I got dynamite sitting around. I'm from Nebraska, bro. Come on.
Bring it spotted.
I love fireworks. Do it for the gram. The retest back to 30 happened. Now let's see if we get continuation down. That's the only thing I really had on watch was that retest back up Tannerite. Use code Jdun on Apex. Thank you guys. I appreciate all of you guys using code Jdun when you trade with these prop firms. You get payout protection, you get the best possible discounts, and you support your boy, who, of course, I will always support you right back and help you get funded, pass your challenges, and get paid. Apex is 80% off right now. Tradeify is 35% off, and FFF is 40% off. So right now, the best deal is on Apex. ApexTraderFunding.com. I'll put the link in chat as well. If you guys want to trade futures with me, you guys can use code JDUN for 80% off all Apex accounts. Payout protection is just if you qualify for payout, if anything gets held up, I can reach out to upper management. I have a lot of connections with these prop firms and have your back. If you don't follow the rules, there's nothing I can do, right? I can't tell them to change the rules for you, right? But if you follow the rules, you qualify for payout, it's having trouble getting processed, I can reach out to them and put an expedite on it to make sure your ticket gets resolved. So that's payout protection. And you always get that when you use code JDUN, code JDUN. Oh, all right, guys. Well, the 3-day class is not a subscription. It's a 3-day free masterclass. But if you'd like to join, you can click that pinned link in your YouTube. If you look to the top of the YouTube comments, it says 3-day free masterclass. You click on that, register, and you'll get your invite on October 6th. If you're on TikTok, you can DM me on Instagram or go to my TikTok link in my bio. If you click on my profile picture and click it again, or after this live, go to my profile, you'll see it. If you'd like to talk to me, if you have any questions about the masterclass, if you have any questions about trading, you can DM me on Instagram at JDunTrades. Yep. Blessed girl, I will get to your DM at some point today. I should have time this afternoon. Maybe after I get off here. You're welcome. All right, guys. I'm about to mob out of here. So trade smart, trade safe. Make sure you tell your friends and family that you love them. Do something good for yourself today. Go to the gym, eat a healthy meal, meditate, read a book, do something positive for yourself. And I will see you guys for live trading tomorrow morning and then for an FOMC stream tomorrow afternoon. So God bless you guys. Have an amazing rest of your day. And if you have any questions, if you'd like access to the free masterclass, you can send me a message on Instagram at JDunTrades. JDUN Trades on Instagram. Send me a DM and I'll see you guys on the flip side. God bless. Peace. Adios, everybody.